Alright, so status report. Basically in this video, I'm gonna give you a rundown of what I've been recently thinking about, what I've been recently doing, what I've been recently executing, doing all that stuff. Recently, I have gotten out to an app store. I have deployed a SaaS project, right? A SaaS project that people can pay for. So I have two like actual things that people can go to outside of myself, right? That they could, benefit from and actually like use, and they would have to pay for it in order to use it because I put so much value into that product, right? That it's that valuable, and they would have to pay for it, right? I also could possibly have another upcoming information product that's more of a software product that's like an app kit like that of a super wall paywall app kit that uses Expo that's already been deployed to the app store, right? And I would just take out my business logic and leave all the infrastructure and then leave that for you guys so you guys could purchase and have, so you don't have to go through the hassle work of rebuilding all that infrastructure, because that's honestly just a plug and play template at the end of the day. It's like a kit or whatever, right? So those are like, I haven't like structured it out yet because I just got this app to App Store, right? So, but that is something else I could build, and it would be easy to build, right? On another note, I have been cooking up some. You know how you could use Claude Code, right? But not use the Claude Code API, but use Claude Code, the desktop app for your monthly subscription, right? I've been using that, and I've been letting things like run and execute code autonomously for about 16 hours at this point, right? So, and I'm not just saying this just to flex, I'm just saying this as like, here's an example of my attempts to make money online, and you could, take it what you will, right? But I'm just trying to throw some progress out there for documentation purposes, right? And what's great about my setup right now is like ads does the marketing for you, right? I have going to have currently in the mix have built intermittent systems to do some UGC content that will automatically be scheduling out for me, right? So that I could like have more traffic and awareness towards my information products and my actual SaaS products and my actual mobile apps, right? On top of automated content, animated content, AI generated content to like push even more, make my voice heard even more, right? By doing so, which would be awesome and cool, and I think everybody should do, as well as have code run from them autonomously while they sleep. Then check the code afterwards, see if it does well, or see if review it to see like where it could be, where should we take this PRD after this provision, right? All this stuff. But yeah, this is just basically a status update of like things I've been doing. Posting actual products, right? And now all the products have been posted. I need to do a bunch more UGC and organic and other types of like animated, automated content, right, to push more traffic to that system, right? But yeah, and also I have code running for me 24/7, which is great. I highly suggest everybody to have like the same type of setup, because if you're out doing something else, right, and you only have so much time to do something, right, you could have this system run for you and then idealistically make money for you, right, towards your paid product or paid service, right, which is amazing. I highly encourage everybody to do so. I haven't really gone into depth on all the tools and processes by which I have been creating all this stuff, but if you would like I could go into that detail in another video, but it's just a status update to let you guys know what I've been doing and how I've been doing it and what I'm going to inform. And my like near-term goals, right? My long-term goals, short-term goals, I need to figure all that stuff out. Basically, just applying things at scale and fleshing things out, making sure everything's good to go in terms of like the content production, and then sending that out to as many people as possible, right? And it's honestly a really cool feeling that I got right now, knowing that I have a whole like I can make content now and be able to, you know, express ideas, knowing that at the end of the funnel I have a paid product, right? I have something I can stand on, right? And I don't have the time building up an audience. Well, I don't have the time sending audience to nothing right away. But idealistically, you know, people should like first build up the audience, then build up the product, right? That's how you should idealistically do it. I just know that if I don't build a product for myself, I would have nothing to talk about, right? So that's why I'm making these videos now, which is cool. I'm like, I can now like everything has an underlying theme about it. First, it's my content. It's me. That's the underlying theme. The second is I could actually point people to, here's my work, here's my, you know, contribution, and now I gotta share as much as possible, right? So here's a quick status update. I hope you guys are enjoying life, because AI can do a lot of cool and amazing things, and I want to be able to share those things, what those things are, and what they can do, and how you can spin them up for yourself, as well as check out all the things that I've built with it, right? So have a great, wonderful day.